What's a Sunday without a little adventure? Let's go on our first pedal boating experience with Pedal Thrill SKN. Safety first, of course. We're putting on our life jackets, making sure that we are fastened so that we can hop on the boat and start the fun. And we're off.
I feel like I'm having a workout here. The captain, as he said, he's steering us. I don't know where we're going. I don't know where he's leading us to, but it's fun. It's fun. You should come and check them out. Of course, you have to book. You have to book in advance, and they'll sort you out. I think they do canoeing as well, or kayaking. But yeah, let's get this thing going.
After all that pedaling, we definitely needed a break. We took this time to just settle, enjoy the waves, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the sun. And here is Alex taking a try at the kayaking. I have to say he did a pretty good job. St. Kitts and Nevis is definitely beautiful. Just look at this view. Thank you, Pedal